How to fix printer not printing publisher documents correctly. Here are some is not printing publisher documents correctly. Check the print settings in Publisher, go to File Print and ensure the right printer is selected. Click on Properties and verify paper size, orientation, margins, etc. are set correctly. Update your printer driver. An outdated printer driver can cause issues with printing publisher files. Go to your printer manufacturer's website and download the latest driver. Adjust compatibility settings, open Publisher, click File Options Advanced and check the option to print using a printer driver that is compatible with Microsoft Publisher. Print a PDF, go to File Export and export your publisher document as a PDF. Then print the PDF, which may resolve formatting issues. Reset print spooler, open command prompt as admin and run netstop spooler and then netstart spooler to restart the print spooler service. Try another printer, connect to another printer on your network or create a PDF print driver to test if the problem is with your specific printer. Export as XPS, try exporting your publisher file as an XPS document and print the XPS file instead. Check for print preview issues, the print preview in Publisher may display incorrectly. Print a test page to confirm if there is an actual problem. Contact Microsoft support. If none of these fixes work, you may need help from Microsoft's Publisher support team to troubleshoot further.